Hello everyone and welcome to another garage video. We are doing something different today. I bought this BMW F11 525d at auction, at the COPART auction in Germany. And today what we are going to do is putting this car ready for sale, so swap everything that is damaged on the car. It's not a lot of damage, as you can see. It's just a bumper, a headlight, the grills you can see in the picture. It's already the new ones, but we are not keeping this bumper. We are going for the M bumper. And yeah, so the plan for today is fixing this car. We have already a buyer for that car, so the car is already sold. And I'll gonna show you some footage from the COPART auction. Yeah, so you can see how much I paid for it. What was the maximum bid for us. We actually end up buying the car way more cheap than what we was expecting. So yeah, so like I said, today is a different one. It's just a thing aside I do beside the work in the garage. So I like to buy these kind of cars with small damage, fixing and selling them. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. And let's jump to the video where you can see me buying the car and yeah, fixing it. All right, let's go. On this frame, it's when the car came up for sale. So I was bidding against some other people. The main price, or the max bid we had for this car, was 8,000 euros. We ended up buying way more cheap than what we was expecting for. So we end up bidding the max bid on 6,100, I think, or 6,300, something like that. And with all the auction fees and everything, end up being 7,140 euros. So way above the price we estimated at the beginning. So our max bid was about to be 8,000 plus the fees will be like 9,500. So we got it on a very good price, so we could go for different extras as well. So as you can see on this footage now, I started to doing the work. I lost some of the footage, so the new headlight is already in. But yeah, the damage was the bumper, the air condition condenser, one grill behind the bumper, the grills in the bumper itself. So we end up changing the bumper, air condition condenser, headlight, and the grill that was broken behind the bumper as well. So we end up going for the M bumper, that we are gonna see now in the next footage. So yes, stay tuned. So as you can see, we kept taking all the broken parts apart, and we start getting the new parts to start putting everything new in the car. And the gentleman next to me, it's my dad. He decided to come to visit me and yeah, help me out. Why not? And yeah, so I'm gonna leave you now with the time lapse and with some music, so enjoy. So here it's when we start putting everything together. So all the new parts, as you see, I'm mounting the new housing for the radiators. The new aircon condenser is already in, and yeah, so we're starting putting all the new parts on it. The housing, the grill, behind the bumper and everything. So you're gonna see everything during this frame. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave you again with the time lapse and with some more music. I hope you are enjoying so far, and I'll catch you in the end of this frame. is the final result. Like I said, we end up going for the M bumper. We got these 4 wheels as well. So we put the new headlight, new bumper, new grills, the grill behind the bumper, air condition condenser. Basically all the stuff that was broken was this. And with the wheels, tires, and all the new bits we put on the car ended up the final cost being 8,500 euros for everything, with auction included, auction fees, all the parts. Of course, I'm not putting my working time on it, but I think it's still a good deal. So I really hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, go to our Instagram, follow our Instagram account, and let me know if you like more this kind of videos or the garage videos. And I catch you in the next video. See you soon, guys.